Sure, here's a 700-word YouTube article script for the 2026 Yamaha YFZ R7 that does not rely on hearing-based experiences, no references to exhaust sound, engine roar, etc., making it accessible and focused on visual, tactile, and performance-based details. YouTube video script. 2026 Yamaha YFZ R7, a new chapter in Yamaha Supersport. Intro 0 to 020. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Yamaha YFZ R7, Yamaha's latest take on the middleweight supersport category. This bike is turning heads not just for its sleek design but also for how it redefines performance in a practical, rider-focused package. Let's get into it. Design and aesthetics 021 to 2 o'clock. First off, the visuals. The 2026 YFZ R7 carries forward Yamaha's aggressive R-Series styling, but with sharper lines and a more refined aerodynamic profile. You've got a razor-sharp front fascia with LED projector headlights integrated into a streamlined nose fairing. The DRLs wrap around in a unique V-shape that gives it a futuristic identity even when it's parked. Yamaha introduced two new colorways this year, Tech Black with red accents, and Racing Blue with brushed aluminum trim. Both look stunning under sunlight, with the blue especially popping on twisty mountain roads or urban backdrops. The fairings are sculpted for function and form, channeling air efficiently while maintaining a lean, muscular stance. The overall body language is compact, with a seat height of 32.9 inches and a narrow tank, giving riders a commanding yet comfortable posture. Whether you're crouched in an aggressive tuck or cruising through corners, the ergonomics strike a fine balance between sport and comfort. Chassis and handling 201 to 330. The YFZ R7's frame is a steel diamond chassis paired with a lightweight aluminum swing arm, optimized for rigidity and feedback. Yamaha's engineers have tuned it for enhanced cornering precision, and you can feel the responsiveness through every input. Suspension-wise, it features fully adjustable KYB 41mm inverted forks up front and a monoshock at the rear. That means whether you're track riding or daily commuting, you can dial in rebound and compression to suit your style. The wheelbase is 54.9 inches, compact enough for flickability, but long enough to maintain stability under hard acceleration. Ground clearance is generous, allowing you to lean deep into curves without fear of scraping. Engine and performance non-auditory focus 331 to 5 o'clock. Powering the YFZ R7 is the proven 689cc parallel twin CP2 engine, borrowed from the MT-07 but tuned slightly for better mid-range punch. It produces around 75 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque, but what makes it special is the way it delivers that power: smooth, predictable, and very usable across the rev range. The clutch lever is light, and the 6-speed gearbox features a slipper clutch and optional quick shifter, allowing for seamless, low-effort gear changes. Whether you're pulling out of a corner or overtaking traffic, the throttle response is crisp and confidence-inspiring. The torque delivery is especially satisfying. You get strong pull in the low to mid-range, perfect for urban riding, while still having enough top end for fun on open roads or light track days. Technology and features 501 to 6 o'clock. For 2026, Yamaha upgraded the dash to a 5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Through the Yamaha Y Connect app, riders can access call alerts, texts, ride data, and maintenance logs directly from the cockpit. Riding modes are now standard, with 3 presets: Urban, Sport, and Custom, each adjusting throttle mapping and traction control sensitivity. You also get dual-channel ABS and an IMU-based traction control system that enhances stability during cornering and acceleration. The switchgear is backlit, the indicators are sleek LEDs, and the mirrors offer great visibility without disrupting the aerodynamic lines. Practicality and rider comfort 601 to 630. Despite its sporty DNA, the YFZ R7 is surprisingly practical. The seat cushioning has been improved for longer rides, and the under-seat storage is enough to hold a small toolkit or documents. It also offers optional accessories like a rear seat cowl, tank pad, and USB charger. Fuel economy is impressive for a sport bike, thanks to efficient engine tuning and a 3.4-gallon tank that can give you over 200 miles of range with moderate riding. Final thoughts 6:31 to 7 o'clock. The 2026 Yamaha YFZ R7 isn't just another supersport bike. It's Yamaha's answer to riders who want sharp performance, sleek aesthetics, and real-world usability, all in one affordable package. Whether you're a weekend canyon carver, a track day regular, or a daily commuter who loves a sporty edge, the R7 brings a lot to the table. Let me know what you think of the 2026 YFZ R7 in the comments. Would you pick this over its rivals like the Ninja 650 or the Aprilia 660 rupees? Hit that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more two-wheeled content. Would you like a thumbnail design idea or some tags and titles optimized for YouTube SEO as well?